Hey guys, it's me, Carrie, and I am outside on my hammock, luckily protected by this janky roof, because these skies just opened up. I just thought it would be kind of cool to record during this thunderstorm. You can't actually see the rain, at least I can't from my vantage point on the camera, but it sounds really cool. So I'm just going to record a little thunder and rain because it's very soothing. So enjoy, won't you? And a plane. I always forget if that's JFK or LaGuardia it's headed towards. I believe it's LaGuardia. I think LaGuardia is north of me and JFK is south. I'm actually shocked that I'm out here because I'm such a big baby. I'm not afraid of lightning that can actually hurt me, but thunder freaks me out, go figure. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little nature interlude. Love you guys. See you soon. I'll be back with more stuff. Bye.